This is Mitchel Zoler from Global Medical News Network at the Internal Medicine 2009, the annual meeting of the American College of Physicians in Philadelphia. I'm speaking to Dr. Laine, who was just announced as the new editor for Annals of Internal Medicine. And so, Dr. Laine, could you tell us briefly where Annals will be going in the next few years under your editorship, and what do you see as some of the challenges for the journal?
I think that the major challenge are the societal shifts in the way that people educate and inform themselves. And I think that it's quite likely that during my tenure at Annals, the print is going to become increasingly less important and the electronic journal increasingly important, particularly as younger physicians grew up using technology differently than older physicians come into practice. And I think that the way to marry the best of print with the great promise of the electronic journal will be the major challenge.
And you were talking a little bit earlier about trying to even enhance Annals' role as a venue for major studies. If you could address that a little bit.
I think one of the things that our readers are most interested in are practice-defining studies, such as large clinical trials. And in order to be viewed as an important medical journal, you need to publish some of those studies as well as the other high-quality evidence syntheses that Annals has become to be known as. And I think that the way to do that is to become to constantly survey the trials while they're ongoing, identify those trials that are going to be of the most interest to practicing internists, and let the researchers know that we're interested in publishing those studies. And when they do submit the studies, to ensure them rapid, high quality, very useful review to make their papers better, and then when we publish them, to ensure that they're disseminated in imaginative ways to a very broad audience.
Thank you very much. This is Mitchel Zoler from Global Medical News Network.